push the products or edits that you have done here in our e-commerce section to your meta catalog, which would take at least few hours by WhatsApp to reflect. Select your store from here and then click on push products. Now all the products that you have in our e-commerce section will get pushed to Meta. If there's an existing product in your catalog with the SKU, it will get updated, and if you have new SKUs, that will basically get created inside the Meta catalog. WhatsApp has an additional approval process, so it might take few hours before your products start reflecting in the WhatsApp catalog. Thank you.